Okay, children, let us continue this one. We are seeing the problems in the previous classes. Now we are going to see about the estimate of an weight of an object. So here they are given the sum of the vegetables: brinjal, lady's finger, radish, and potato. So such a heaps are கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we have to find out how much is the weight. நீங்களே assume பண்ணீங்களே. What will be the weight of this brinjal? இவ்வளோ brinjal இருக்கும். So என்னோட assumptionல I just put 1 kg. And here this lady's finger seems to be also the 1 kg. Okay, my assumption. And here this radish I put half kg, and potato I put 2 kgs. Okay, so this one is rough estimation only, but at the back they are given the exact answer is, so brinjal they are put is 1 kilogram 250 gram. Okay, yeah, 1.25 kilo அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. 250 na 1/4, 1 kilogram 250 gram, and radish is 750 na half kg I put 500. See, 1 kg is 1000. Okay, 1 kg is 1000, and half kg that is 500, and 1/4 kg that is equal to 250, and 3/4 kg that is equal to 750. Okay, so 1 kg na 1000 gram, half kg அரை கிலோ na 500 gram, 1/4 kilo 1/4 na 250 gram, and 3/4 முக்கால் கிலோ na 750 gram. இதுதான் நம்ம வந்து கடையில் போகும்போது whatever things you are buying, your parents are getting the fruits or vegetables, anything, they will measure like this only. Okay, so like this here they are given the book, box, pencil, eraser and scale. So you approximate measurement நீங்கள் உங்கள் ஓனாக எழுதிட்டு உங்களுடைய correct value of the measurement you have to write. This is the estimation of approximation of the value. And now we will see the exercises. So here exercise 4.2, page number 31. Okay, page number 31, exercise 4.2. Here they are given Mohana bought 2 kg 600 gram grapes and 1 kg 450 gram guavas. How much more did Mohana buy grapes than guavas by weight? That is, first I'll write the question. Mohana bought 2 kg 600 gram grapes. She is buying, Mohana is buying a grapes, and 1 kg 450 gram guavas. How much more did Mohana buy grapes than guavas? So we have to minus and see by weight, and down they have given some of the options here. See, Mohana bought 2 kg 600 gram grapes and 1 kg 450 gram guavas. 2 kg grapes so 1 kg guavas வாங்குறாங்க. How much more did Mohana buy grapes than guavas? So grapes வந்து எவ்வளோ, கிரேப்ஸை விட கோவாவை எவ்வளோ வாங்கியிருக்கா? ஓகே, கிரேப்ஸ் வந்து 2 kg, கோவா வந்து 1 kg. How much more did Mohana buy grapes? அப்போ கோவாவை விட கிரேப்ஸை எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக கிலோகிராம் she bought it. So what you have to do, minus கிரேப்ஸோட வெயிட் எவ்வளோ? கிரேப்ஸோட வெயிட் வந்து 2 kilogram 600 gram. This is kilogram and this is the gram. And then guavas oda weight how much is there? 1 kilogram 450 gram. So எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா, you have to minus 0 minus 0 is 0. In the 0 na this is the 10 minus 5 is 5, and this will be the 5. ஏன்னா borrow பண்ணணும். So borrow பண்ண 5 minus 4 is 1. In the 0 la 5 போகாது. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 1 kilogram and 150 gram. So this is the answer. They are given the options 150 gram, and second option is 1 kilogram 150 gram. Then third option is 1 kilogram 200 gram, and fourth option is 4 kilogram. So you have to put like this in rough column and tick the answer. This is the answer. So answer is here. So in the answer, the correct answer. This is in the choose, they are given like this. Okay. Then second one is put greater than, less than, or equal. They are given 50 gram dash 340 gram. 640 gram, 800 gram, 34 kilogram, 22 kilogram, 1000 gram, 1 kilogram. So which is 50 gram or 340 gram? 340 gram. 640 gram or 800 gram? 800 gram biggest. 34 kilogram, 22 kilogram, 34. 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal because 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Then add they are given. So add, I will give it as a homework for you. You can copy down children. This is the homework because already you might have known. Kilogram and gram. 2 kilogram, 326. Then like that in subtraction also they are given. So do the sums. 7 kilogram and 270 gram. Then this is the A sum, B sum and C sum is 33. Then 9 kilogram, 264 gram. Okay, so this is the addition sums. And now subtraction also I will give. Same page only, same exercise only. So subtraction also homework I will give children. So that also you can do. Subtract. Here kilogram, so subtraction same thing how we are done only. Kilogram and gram. 8 kilogram, 645 gram. 6 kilogram, 375 gram. (16 kilogram, 564 gram). 7 and 900 minus 2 and 950. So you have to minus it. This is A. This also minus. B sum and C sum is 5, 147. Then minus 2, 140. Okay. So this is also the homework for you. So do this in your note. Now we will see the problems. Some of the problem, 2 problems are there. We will see the problem in the same exercises. So here the weight of the weight of 3 babies. So they are given the weight of 3 babies or 3 kilogram 650 gram. And then second baby oda weight வந்து 5 kilogram 420 gram. Okay. Then and 4 kilogram 750 gram. Find the total weight. So நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும்? Find the total weight. So you can write the weight of 3 babies. We can write statement எழுதும்போது we can easily write the statement. Find the total weight கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So weight of 3 babies. Weight of 3 babies அப்படின்னு எழுதிட்டு that is equal to kilogram and gram. Put a line. For carryover only we have to put the line like this because to add the numbers. First baby oda weight evlo 3 kilogram 650 gram. Then 5 kilogram 420 gram. Then 4 kilogram 750 gram. So we have to add, find the total weight only they are asking. So 0 plus 0, 3 zeros is 0, 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 7 plus 5 that gives you the 12. So 12 ku you put 2 and 1 carry over. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. So 18 ku you put 8 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. This is the total weight of the babies. Okay, so the answer is 13 kilogram 820 gram. Okay, so write the statement like this and add. Put a plus sign. Whenever you are doing the addition or subtraction, you have to put the sign. The next one is subtraction. Also they are given on problem. A shopkeeper had 275 kilogram 450 gram of coffee powder. He sold 80 kilogram 475 gram. How much coffee powder left? How much coffee powder left? எவ்வளோ coffee powder மீதம் இருக்குது? ஓகேயா? Okay, shopkeeper had 275 kg and 450 gram of coffee powder. He sold 80 kilogram and 475 gram. So how much is left? So we can write statement. So how to write? Weight of the coffee powder. Weight of coffee powder. And I buy coffee powder in the shop. In the shop. Shop la evlo irukudhu coffee powder? That is equal to 275 gram coffee powder in the shop. That is equal to the kilogram and gram. 275 kilogram and 450 gram. Now coffee powder used. Coffee powder used in the shop. So, அது எவ்வளோ யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? 1 kilogram 80 kilogram and 475 gram. 80 kilogram, 475. So what you have to do? You have to minus 0 la 5 pogadilya. So you have to, what you have to do? Borrow 10. So you borrow panninga, this will become 4. So in the 4 la 7 pogad, again you have to borrow, that gives you 14 and this will become 3. So now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 14 la 7 pochina 7 and 3 minus 4 it won't go, so 13 minus 4 that gives you 9 and this will become 4. In a borrow panito ilya inge, so that is 4 and 7 minus 8 it won't go, so that this is 17. So 17 minus 8 that gives you 9 and this is the 1. So balance is leftover coffee powder 194 kilogram 975 grams. Okay. So go through this. So here 275 4. I'll write it clearly. So that's why I rub this. Next is 80 kilogram and 475. So you have to minus only, not a plus. So 0 la 5 pogadilya. So if you borrow, this will become 10 and this will become 4. அப்போ 4ல 7 போகாது, borrow பண்ணா இது 14 and this will become 3. So 3ல 4 போகாது, again you have to borrow, that gives you 13 and this will become 4. And here 7ல 8 போகாது, so from here only you have to borrow. So borrow பண்ணும்போது you put the sign properly so that அப்போ தான் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். So 10 minus 5 is 5, 14 minus 7 is 7, 13 minus 4 is 9. And 4 minus 0 is, that gives you 4 only. And here 17 minus 8 that gives you the 9. This is 9 and this is 4. And here 1. So answer is 194 kilogram, 975 grams. So these are the two problems they are given in these exercises. So go through this and complete the add and the subtraction what all I have given in your book. I have given in the board. So you complete this one fully, children, so that you can follow this. Thank you, children.